Hey everyone, welcome to day number 4. I'm excited. Today I'm going to take you through a cardio and tone workout. We are going to use some light hand weights. If you don't have these at home, don't worry, you can still follow along. So let's hop right into it. We're going to get that heartbeat up a little bit today while sculpting and toning that full body. We're just gonna come into a little run right here and reach those ankles, the heels to your butt. Use that arm to stabilize you right here. And knees come up. Getting that heartbeat up, guys. There we go. We only have 15 minutes. This full body workout, you can do it. I want you to give it all. Let's get sweaty for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come into a jump squat and reach that arm to the ground. Every time you're coming down, I want you to press through those heels for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stand still. Come into a squat. Punch those arms out and press back up. Squat. Punch the arms out and up. Squat, punch the arms out. There we go. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then we're coming into our ice skatings right here. If you want to modify, you can also do this with a step right here. Otherwise, keep moving, keep jumping, press through those heels, lower that butt 1 inch lower. There we go for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And shake it out. Okay, we're coming onto the front of the mat. Those hands are near your shoulders. Your feet are hip wide apart. I want you to step back with that right leg, reach the arms up, and come back in. So come into that big lunge and lengthen those arms out. Reach and down. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, tiny little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, keep it low, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend that right leg long. That upper body reaches forward. Extend the arms long, reaching the arms back, and lower down for 10, 9. Every time those arms reach back, I want you to squeeze those shoulder blades together. Press through that left heel. Core is tight. The legs are squeezed together. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the arms in and extend arms out. Working those triceps here for 10, 9. Keep that right glute squeezed. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, tiny little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And shake it out. We're going straight into the other side. So the arms come, or your hands near your shoulders. Chest is open. Come into that deep lunge and press those arms out and press back up. Press down and up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend that left leg long. That upper body comes forward into a 45-degree angle. Now reach the arms in front. We're reaching them back, squeezing those shoulders together and reaching them forward. Lengthen that spine. The left glute and the right glute are both activated. Really squeeze those legs. We're here in a full body sculpt today. We only have 15 minutes of work. I want you to give it all. Reach back for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend those arms through the shoulders and extend. Tricep extensions right here. Really squeeze those legs. Open up that chest and squeeze those arms. 6, 5. You can do it. 4. I know we're shaking. 3, 2, and 1. Extend long, tiny little pulses right here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And shake it out. Great job, everyone. We're coming onto the mat. Come to our knees. Coming into a couple cat-cow positions right here. Stretch that back. Really press those shoulders wide. Find your neutral spine. Grab that one hand weight. I want you to shift all the way to the right side of the body. Hand weights into your right hand. Now take a deep inhale. On the exhale, we're reaching that right arm and that left leg long and slowly coming back in for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Tiny little pulses with that arm and the leg. Only 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the middle. Quick child's pose right here. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And slowly roll back up. Switch the hand weight into the other side. Shift the weight into the left side of the body. Inhale to prepare. On the exhale, we're reaching the right leg and that left arm out. And slowly come back in for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Tiny little pulses. Only 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Find that deep child's pose. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. We're coming back to our all fours. Extend that left leg long. Extend that right leg long into that plank position. We're reaching the right knee to the right elbow and the left knee to the left elbow into our Spider-Man. Working that core, working full body here. Working that sideways for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Hips come to the ceiling. We're reaching with the right arm, that left heel. Come back to plank position. Reach with that left hand, your right ankle. For 10, 9, heartbeat goes up. 8, keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to that plank position, 10 seconds of mountain climber here. Go as fast as possible, heartbeat goes up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back in that child's pose. Take a deep inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Slowly roll back up. Place those fingertips together and open up that chest. Feel that chest open and wide. Your neck is long. And shake it out. We're coming onto our back. Those hand weights are onto our arms. Reach the arms up to the sky. Bring the right knee into tabletop. Bring the left knee into tabletop. Take a deep inhale. On the exhale, we're reaching opposite arm, opposite leg out. Feel that extension. Press that back into the mat. Use that whole core and switch for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, you're doing amazing, 3, 2, and 1. Legs stay into tabletop, arms are reaching through the ceiling. Take a deep inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and bring the head, neck, and shoulders up. And we're just hovering a little off to the ground. Palms are facing forward, the arms come in and reach out. Bicep curl in and out. If you want to modify, you can also place those legs or your toes onto the ground. Otherwise, stay in this boat position. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring those toes to the ground. We're opening up to the left side of the body. Open up to the right into a really big twist. Use that core to open up and drive you through this motion. There we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then slowly, bone by bone, we're rolling back down. Great job. Bring the right knee into tabletop. Bring the left knee into tabletop. Bring those arms up to the sky. Palms are facing together or holding together. Now you can extend those legs long or stay here into a 45-degree angle. In a deep inhale, I want you to really press that back into the ground, and we're lowering down those arms and those legs at the same time. Really focus on pushing that back into the ground. If you have lower back pain here, please drop the weight and just place your hands underneath and just do this motion without any hand weights. If not, keep going for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And lower down those weights. The hands come behind your head, elbows are wide. Let the knees fall over to the left, coming into our little side crunches right here. 10 times for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And switch over to the other side. Your legs are falling over to the right. Little crunches here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the middle. Legs coming into a tabletop. Really use that core. Coming into our final bicycles right here. Let's get that tempo up. Go as fast as possible. Final burner right here for cardio and toning workout of today for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let those arms really lengthen, those legs lengthen. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And bring that left knee in. Feel the nice deep stretch. Let it fall open to the left side. Really open up that hip. Take a nice breather here. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And switch to the other side. Bring the right knee in towards the chest. Let it fall open to the right. Feel that nice stretch here. Inhale and exhale out. Great job. Then we're pressing ourselves up. Coming to a seated position right here. I want you to grab with your right hand that right ankle and just open up that chest. Feel that nice deep stretch here. Open up that body. And sit down and switch to the other side. Big circle with that arm and open up that body. Inhale and exhale. And slowly come back to the middle. And you are all done for today. Thank you so much for joining today's workout, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.